Hi there, welcome to the Zapiet Academy. Today I will show you how to set up Zapiet Eats on your store. With this app, you can streamline your restaurant's food delivery and curbside pickup operations. First, let's create a restaurant location. We will automatically import your Shopify locations. If you don't have a location, we will show you how to add one. Click on Restaurants, then click on Add a Restaurant. Add a name for the restaurant. Select the country or region and add the complete address and click Add Restaurant. We have now created a restaurant. Repeat this process for as many restaurants as you need. Now let's continue our store pickup settings. Click on Enable Store Pickup and then click on Edit Settings. You will now see the store pickup specific settings. If needed, you can add a minimum order value for pickup. Let's say you add a minimum value of £10. Store pickup will only be available for orders equal to or greater than £10. You can set how often your pickup slots are available with pickup slot frequency. For example, if you add 15-minute pickup frequency, customers will be able to place pickup orders every 15 minutes. With our pickup radius option, customers will only be able to select pickup if they are within the specified radius. For example, if you select 25 kilometers, customers will only be able to select pickup if they are within the specified radius. If you want to add a pickup rate, you can use our pickup pricing option. Take a look at our help guide for more information on pickup pricing. Lastly, you can use our tagging feature to add tags to your orders, such as pickup date, time or day of the week. You can also add your own tag for this restaurant. Let's continue with the local delivery section. Click on Enable Local Delivery, then click on Edit Settings. You will see your delivery zones and pricing sections. Here you can control where this restaurant delivers to and the costs involved. Click on Create Zone and add a zone name. If needed, you can add a minimum order value for your local delivery orders. Add the estimated delivery time so that your customers will know when to expect their order. And in our delivery area section, you can add how far you can deliver. We have the option to add a maximum radius, maximum driving distance, and to draw a custom delivery area. For our store, we will be using the maximum radius option and set the distance to 20 kilometers. The customer's address will need to be within the allowed radius for the customer to be able to check out. Let's add a delivery rate with our delivery pricing option. Click Save. Next, we will add a delivery slot frequency so that customers can select delivery based on our desired frequency. Lastly, you can use our tagging feature to add tags to your orders, such as delivery date, time or day of the week. We have now configured our restaurant's pickup and delivery settings. Before creating a menu, we will review our operations section. In our operations section, you can select between automatically accept incoming orders or to manually accept incoming orders. If you automatically accept all orders, then when a customer creates an order, it will be accepted immediately. If you manually accept orders, then you must manually accept or reject orders. Upon cancelling an order on Eats, the order will be cancelled in Shopify, and the customer will automatically be refunded if they've already paid. If needed, you can add an order completion limit. If enabled, customers will have a time limit to check out after selecting the date and time. If they fail to check out under that time limit, they will need to make their selection again through our widget. Add an email address to receive internal notifications. Select the time zone in which your restaurant is located. Zapiet Eats will automatically calculate your restaurant coordinates, but you can override them if necessary. After making these edits, click on Save. Now that we have set up the general settings for our restaurant, we can design our menu. Menus let customers know which products are available from each of your restaurants. You can create multiple menus for each restaurant with different times of the day or different days. Click on Menus, then click on Create a Menu. You can select your menu from a new collection, which will create a new Shopify collection. Or you can select an existing collection. In this case, we will create a new menu. Add the name of the menu and click Save. You will be redirected to your menu page. Here you can select if the menu is going to be a draft or if it is going to be published. By default, we already add some preset menu sections. You can add individual products to each of these sections or create new sections. We will be adding products to our existing menu sections. Click on Add Product and select the product that you want to add to this menu section. You can also create bundles with your existing products. Bundles are a great option to create meal deals. Click on Create Bundle and add the bundle name and price. Select which collection you want to add this bundle to. Search and add the product that will become your bundle. Click on Confirm. You should now be able to see your bundle that you created. Now we are able to add this menu to the restaurant that we just created. Click on Add Restaurant and select the restaurant that we previously created. Click on Add Menus to Restaurants. If you want to edit the hours of this specific menu, click on Restaurants and select the restaurant that we already created. In the menu section, click on the menu that you just added. Let's now edit the menu schedule. Select the delivery availability. You can select between every day of the week or specific days of the week. Edit your delivery times. These can also be set by every day of the week or to be different each day of the week. Repeat the process for store pickup. If needed, you can add blackout dates, which will prevent customers from selecting pickup or delivery on specific dates of the year. We also have the ability to add product date restrictions to limit certain products to specific dates of the year. Use the Restrict Future Orders to prevent customers from ordering too far in the future. Add your preparation time to control the length of time it takes to prepare an order from this menu. You can also limit the number of products that can be sold in a day from this menu with our Daily Inventory feature. Click on Save. Now that we have created a menu schedule, we can now enable our widget in your theme. Click on Settings, then click on Themes. Find the theme you'd like to install our widget on, and click Preview in Theme. This will open the customized settings on your theme. Enable Zapiet Eats widget, and save the changes. The Zapiet Eats app will now be visible on your live store. Let's see how the widget will look on the store. I will be placing a delivery order. First, I need to enter my address to check for delivery options. Then I must select a date and time to when I will be placing my order. For this demo, I will select Friday at 2 p.m. to view lunch options. If needed, I can leave a note for the restaurant. Next, I will need to fill in my personal information. This information will appear in the order details. Once that is done, I can now select the items I want to include in my order. Here's how it will look at checkout. For more information, take a look at our help articles in the description below. If you have any questions, please reach us at support@zapiet.com or on chat, and we'll be happy to help.